Hi guys, in today's video we will see how to resolve the issue of citation bibliography is wrongly placed. For example, if your laptop has two types or three types of reference manager software like EndNote and Mendeley and many other softwares, then when you open your Word document, this usually takes place that it appears like citations bibliography is wrongly placed in index area. Please delete the place citation etc. So we will see how why this issue take place and how to avoid this issue. So for example, when I open this file, it contains references that are added by EndNote, but in my PC I currently have Mendeley desktop, Mendeley reference manager and EndNote. So how I can avoid this issue? So first of all, you just need to click on OK, and after that, for example, it is saying that this citation, this reference is wrongly placed. So for this reason it is not updating the references. For example, if you add some new references into it, then it will not update it. For example, if I open EndNote and add some new references to this file, it will not automatically update it. So whenever you have three or two or more than three softwares, reference manager software in your PC, then you need to first update your some settings. So we will see how to update these settings. For example, if I add this reference into that place and I will click on insert citation, this references has been added, and when I click on instant formatting on and will update, this reference will not be updated. So for this reason you just need to go to file. For example, the output specified, the output is not updated, or you need to select some other source, or it will not update it automatically. So to avoid this issue, you just need to go to file, and then from here menu bar, you just need to go to options. When you click on options, this dialog box will appear, and herein you will select add-ins. When clicking on add-ins, you can see an option here like manage. So from this manage, click on this menu bar and select word add-ins, because you are working with Word document, so you will select word add-ins and then click on go. So if you are using some Mendeley software, then you just unmark all EndNote point and click on Mendeley this one and Mendeley this one. You just need to unmark all EndNote options. But if you are currently using EndNote for this Word document, then you need to unmark all Mendeley options and click on EndNote. After clicking on these EndNote, just click on OK, and then this will appear above that enable content. You need to click on enable content, and then when you update references and when you select some other output style, all the references that you have added, they will be updated automatically. So in this way you can avoid this issue. If you are going to use Mendeley, then you need to click on Mendeley options and unmark EndNote option. But if you need to click on, if you are using EndNote, then you need to click on all EndNote option and unmark Mendeley. Here you can see the references have been updated automatically. So this is how this issue will be resolved. Thank you very much for watching.